5 minutes na! Buksan niyo na yan. Uy.
Sir, may kailangan lang po kami
Buksan na na!
Power's back on. Power's back on. But they aren't out yet.
Dapat nakalabas na sila ngayon.
Okay, what do we do? Hold on.
Put in Now, let's think this
They haven't
through.
sent the answers yet. If they haven't sent the answers yet, so what? What does that mean? What, they stole the exam?
Hindi ko na alam, pero sana makalabas sila without getting caught. Kahit kalimutan na yung NSAT, okay na. Okay?
No.
Just breathe. Okay, all will be well. Saan na kayo, bag?
Sa wakas, nabuksan na din. Pwede na kayong umalis. Teka, yung kasama mo, nasaan na yun? Kanina pa yun, ah. Iba na to, ah. Roger. Roger, huwag ka munang magpapasok. Tom, pumasok ko nga dito. Tingnan mo yung monitor ng CCTV. May hanapin lang tayo.